Yes. So today it is Sunday, and just you know that in the coaching GD is going on. Let's see what's happening in each and every group, because these students are very, you know that looking very energetic. And here is the Kinjal with cameraman Kinjal. Come here now, please. So this group is going on. Excuse me, guys. Which topic is going on? Which topic is going on? You come here, please.
The growing depression
In teenagers.
Teenagers.
What do you think about this? The growing depression in teenagers. Please hold the mic. Yes, come on. Yeah, you carry on. Speak up, please.
Sir, firstly, I'm also a teenager, but my parents never compares me with others. He is more than intelligent
Oh, right.
with you.
They understand it means your feelings, right?
Yes, sir.
And they always support you.
Always.
You are very lucky. You are lucky.
Yes.
What do you think about this topic?
So according to me, domination is not good, because if we have domination, so we get many stuck while thinking, and we get also in a wrong direction. And if we go in a wrong direction, so we cannot think easily, and we cannot think confidently, and we cannot work also. So in this way, our future will be
Do
wrong.
your parents compare you to any other kid?
Never. Never.
Yeah, you are very lucky. Leslie, what do you think about this?
I think about this. If I student in a depression, they cannot learn very well, and then they don't achieve good marks, and they get not success in their family.
Come first now. Here are many more groups are there. And now this is the group of Miss Ayushi. Ayushi, which topic is running, please?
First one topic, what is the reason behind the depression of the teenagers?
Depression. So what do you think about this?
Sir, actually, I wanted to tell you that there is the many of the reasons that we can say that this is the reason that the teenagers should take a step. Likewise, we can say that there is the protest is going on the daily. This only because of the growing the teenagers their ability. And even if I tell you, so there is the many of the persons which come from the many of the states for the protest in the India. And
So Miss Ayushi, do your parents compare you to any other kid who is getting good marks and anything else?
sir, actually they saying sometimes, but they don't pressures me that because they know that I study well and I performing also good.
Parents cooperate you very well, right?
Yes.
Fantastic. What do you think about this coming year?
So
Growing depression in teenagers.
The causes of depression, because the result and many other things, the student are very depressed, and
And what are the result of depression? What are the result of depression?
There are so many results of depression, because of depression many students get depression and committed suicide, and they are the future of their family, they are future of a country. But even then, when a paper is leaked, nowadays protest is going on because of paper leaked, and teenagers are very important for our future. But because of their result.
Many more groups are there, and just only we are going there. What's happening in the group of Miss Jenny? All right, Miss Jenny, what's happening? Which topic is running here?
the second one topic
Second
is
one,
running
please.
is.
Please, what is the second topic?
So second one topic is parents should stop saying when I was age of you. Yes. So it is very bad sentence about a student, because it is very it is very towards the negative platform, because parents didn't think about their student, how they manage their society, because their society has full of anxiety, stress, and many of the things. I think that time in ancient time, my parents' time, so there is no such types of AI tools, such types of social media. So so that time is easy to achieve their goal. But at this time there was,
But why do the parents do like so? Why? What's the reason behind this?
because they showing that we are if we are in your age, so we do,
We are superior.
yeah, we do everything.
Now we are superior to you.
Yeah.
Right, okay, thank you so much. Someone what do you think about this topic?
I wanted to say that now this topic, as Miss Jenny says, the competition level in the competition level in this is the competition level in this is very in high pitch. So I wanted to tell you that in our society a very worry, anxiety, and many
So I think this is the totally negative. Parents are saying it for positive thinking, but student take is negative, and they can suicide and leave their house. This is totally wrong. Their parents are only saying for your good future and good communication.
Now here is Miss Nandini, and she is a new guest for us. It means that she is a new student in our coaching. So just only she will say, Nandini, say hello to our cameraman and tell your introduction. Hello.
Hello, I am Nandini. I study in class 12th class.
I love Mumuj. What's happening in this group? Oh my God, mighty Suchi here. Suchi, which topic is running here, please? Second topic. Okay, what the topic name is?
Parents should stop saying when I was
Oh right. So what do you think about this?
So in
Third topic. What is here?
sir, we are running in a second topic.
CGP or BGP? This one I want to know.
Okay,
What
sir.
do you think about the CGP or BGP?
So in this time, BJP is following for adults, not, and he is working for not adults, and CJP party is working on BJP. There are Jantar Mantar in Delhi. We can see very well. There are many types of student and many types of parents reached Jantar Mantar in Delhi. So we can say that in the future of youth.
But why are you not thinking that maybe just only CJP is just a propaganda? Maybe there is a conspiracy hidden behind it. Because listen to me, this is not the matter of just only paper leak. Maybe the people, they want to misuse you. Why don't you understand this? Because at this age, what do you have to do? You have to study in your house. You don't have to protest. You don't have to give a slogan. You don't have to say up, say down. It's not your matter. This is the time of carrying your future. This is the time of settling your future. Why don't you think like so? Why? Yes. CJP or BJP? Why?
I think that CJP is better because in this time CJP is do much for students, for student studies, for student success. Because in this time, without education, you cannot get good job. You cannot do anything for his family.
But Mr. Ambush, Mr. Divyansu, sorry for this. Why do people like BJP? What is the reason? Why do people like BJP?
Because BJP do a good works, but in that time student are doing the protest and protesting, and because of they are leaking the NEET examination, and in that ways if they are not doing this again he leaked the paper, and in that way he are doing good decision, and he is doing good thing. That is the reason he are careful about his future and his career, and he want to become a successful man. If BJP are leaking the papers in that way.
But how can you say that BJP is leaking paper? Because you know that a person may be corrupted, not the whole system. And a paper is leaked by 1 or 2 persons, 3 persons, 4 persons, 5 persons, not by the whole system. But you know that is it good to kill the time of our youth? They are protesting. You know that thousands of youth are gathering together and they are just only killing their time instead of studying in their classroom, instead of studying in coaching centers. Instead of preparing, they are killing their time, which is not good. And now, but don't worry, by the way, you will keep on doing. And here is new students, Miss Ayushi Singh. Ayushi, please smile, please. And hold the mic and yes, I am Ayushi. And wave the hand to your cameraman, Kinjal. See now. Yes,
I am Ayushi.
Hello, Ayushi.
Hello.
Next time, I will express my views. Alright, so fantastic. Now, come here. And here is our next group also. And the group is here. We are moving towards with our cameraman, Miss Kinjal. And excuse me, please. Right. Which topic is moving here?
parents should stop saying if I was in a UAE.
Oh my God! But this topic is over or not?
Yes, sir.
Your rights to CJP or BJP? What do you think? Which is better?
It's not over.
This topic is going on.
Yes, sir.
Parents says that I was at your age. What do you think about this topic, please?
Sir, I think. Sir, I think that it's totally wrong because when they say that if I was in your age, that's why the students are getting depression about it, and they think that if I will give any type of any question, so it will be also mistaken by me, and that's why they are not giving the answer of not. It's matter of for parents also. There is a matter of teacher also, because teacher is also doing because teacher is also saying this with their students, and the parents are also comparing their two childs equally, because their thinking levels are not equally, and their thinking levels are also different, because they think different and they think different, so they don't have to compare their children, and because of not a parents, teachers also compare them.
Mahi is full of explosive materials. Mahi बारूद से भरी हुई है for teachers and parents, and now we have to save our life from Mahi. All right. So what do you think about this topic?
So according to me, it's totally right. So parents are saying when I was at your age, because if you will say so students do many
I have cracked the UPSC.
Yes, sir.
I have cracked UPSC. All right.
Parents are saying it's totally right. If you will say so, a student commit the suicide. Many type of is doing.
Don't say this. Why? Because of parents, you are thinking about committing suicide. It's totally bad. Why don't you think that parents are your caretaker? Just only they are investing, that their money behind your career, behind your success. That's why they have right to say to you, accept it. You are very lucky if parents are there and they are saying you. If a careful teacher is there, if he is saying to you, it means you are very lucky to have such type of caring parents and teacher. Say thanks to God.
But sir, I think that they have to. But sir, I think that they have to silently. They have to convince us about it, and they have to say us about what is going on in our era. And
who is there, Mahi? Who is scolding you? Is there anyone? Tell me now, please.
no, sir, it's not only a matter of my parents. Which is happening in our school, not in our family, because of my parents are too much. Yes, sir. It's also happen in our school only, not in my society and not in my family.
Being a teacher, I personally say you to sorry, okay, right? Don't blast a bomb
You
on
are
me.
not doing this.
Oh, thank you so
Many
much.
teachers are
Thank you so. I'm not doing this.
No, sir.
Thank you so much. All right. What do you think about this?
So family member, my paternal aunt, like my paternal aunt tell about, says that you will my father don't have teach well, and your father you will teach well.
Right. My father didn't provide me good education, and your father providing you good education.
Good education, so you are become a police officer and anything else.
Arrest me. Don't worry, Risu. See your aunt. Don't mind. Okay, fine. It happens in our society. All right. Here is our new student Khushi. So Khushi, please wave the hand to our cameraman and say that I am Khushi. अपना नाम बताओ, please.
I am Khushi.
हाँ, please. अरे hand तो उसको दो.
I am Khushi.
कहाँ से हम लोग लाए देख रही हो ना? तो बोलो hi cameraman. Yes, hello cameraman. बोलिए ना. Hello cameraman.
Hello cameraman.
I am Khushi.
I am Khushi.
All right. So please, now you know that just only group discussion is going on, and now we want to know the view of our cameraman. Cameraman, what do you have observed in all many listen to me? Many students are here. We are just only having the group discussion. So they are just only having a discussion. And now they are speaking. But you want to know the view of cameraman. Cameraman, what do you observe in our students? They all are speaking well.
Yes, sir, they are speaking very well.
Wow, fantastic. But who is speaking impressed you a lot? Who is speaking impressed you a lot?
Everyone.
Everybody.
Yes,
but
sir.
if you want to pick one or two, then who would do it?
Mahi Didi or Ruchi Didi?
Actually, she had Right hand with Mahi Didi. Because Mahi
Why are you saying?
Mahi has explosive.
I didn't say to her, sir, anything.
Mahi has explosive materials. Mahi has atomic bomb, hydrogen bomb for their teachers and parents.